You know, I feel like a lot of us in here have that one friend or maybe a few friends, or honestly, maybe we are that friend that maybe drinks a little too much, maybe smokes a little too much. And you know, I personally think that that person is like the life of the party. You know, they're the good time person, they're the person that you want in the friend group, I feel like. But I feel like maybe by like society's terms, that's probably considered like the bad habit friend. I don't know. Now, I personally think that a bad habit is more like, I've got some friends that have a really, really bad habit of texting that one guy that just is not good enough for them. You know, they keep going back to him. It's a real bad habit. Well, there's a new one, it's called Bad Habits. My Shelly